Hey, I'm John.
And I'm Kit.
And this is our Great British Adventure,
London.
Let's go.
We've been together 13 years and we love to travel, but we've never been to the UK.
Follow along with us as we see the sights, meet the locals, and find our Great Britain.
So I was thinking it might be fun to take a bus tour and see some of the sights.
Hi, welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
You too.
Welcome to Shoreditch. Today, I want to take you out, show you around.
Is this the East End?
Yes, this is the East End.
From the east side of the East End.
Let's go get some hot chocolate.
Wow, this is so good.
What's the nightlife like?
I think it's amazing. It's amazing, especially I think the LGBT community throw the best parties ever. And this is why I always recommend people to come here, walk about, you're always going to find something to do. I'll take you to a little hidden area. Welcome to Lounge Bohemia. It's actually one of my favorite places to come to. And also it's hidden, which means that not everybody knows about here.
Well, I think we're going to tell a lot of people.
There's over 44 different signature cocktails here, each unique, each have a story.
Cheers.
Cheers. So this is the Glory, and tonight we're going to see the non-binary cabaret.
Welcome to Non-Binary Cabaret!
So many different types of public transit here to be able to take the Thames Clipper all the way to Greenwich is great.
God, I just want to know the history of every single building we see.
So this is Greenwich Market.
This market is open 7 days a week. It's always bustling in here.
The best food is in the market. You can find everything.
I want some of these famous fish and chips.
I'd love to do a falafel wrap. Halloumi fries are so good. It's like Mediterranean fusion. They kind of have every kind of food here.
This marketplace has been around longer than the United States of America.
There's so many different kind of stores. There's so much incredible food. But honestly, I could spend the whole day here.
Good morning, gentlemen, and welcome to the Royal Borough of Greenwich. Behind me, we have what is known as the Queen's House. Right, we're now ascending the tulip staircase. It represents the fleur-de-lis of Queen Henrietta Maria's family emblem, and they filled it full of all beautiful paintings and furniture.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm a curator here at Hampton Court Palace. Hampton Court Palace is most famous as the home of Henry VIII, who, as we all know, had 6 wives. I mean, the most heterosexual king in British history. But I'm far more interested in the history that's been hidden, that we don't normally talk about. The LGBT histories, which are everywhere. This beautiful part of the palace was built by Queen Mary II. Queen Mary's first love was Lady Frances Apsley. If you saw the movie The Favourite, you'll know this room.
Another lesbian queen.
Another lesbian queen.
I feel like we're in Harry Potter.
This is London's West End.
Cannot wait to see everybody's talking about Jamie. I've heard it's great. I mean, everybody's talking about Jamie.
We're talking about it.
We're talking about it right now.
I got the dreams, I got the style, I got the moves.
John and Kit, what are you doing here?
Oh my God!
So wonderful.
This is our first West End show of all time.
Ever.
First
It was
one?
such
Yes.
an amazing experience.
I've been in this show for 2 years now. The reaction's been amazing, so it's so good to be part of it, and hearing everyone's stories and how they kind of connect to it and connect to certain characters is amazing.
We both cut our teeth on Broadway, but it is such a dream to do a show on the
Oh,
West
you
End.
should come and do one. Be in
West
this.
End.
I think we've got Ray and Margaret right here.
I was
think
born
that'd
to play Margaret.
Babe, that would be Cam. Wouldn't that be Cam? I'd love that.
Oh, Brit Crew!
Hey!
Cheers! Yes!
Good to see you.
Thanks for coming out. I'm so excited to meet you guys because we have been just devouring Drag Race UK in the US. Love it so much.
Then what do you love about living in the city?
The food in London, it's really reasonably priced, and you can have anything at any time.
London is lit. It is filled with a ton of things for you to do as long as you are up for trying them.
All right, you ready to go on top of the O2?
Hope you're not scared of heights.
You can really get a view of the entire city from here.
It's so cool that we're the only people up here, just surrounded by London.
Who knew scaling a stadium could be so romantic?
I've always wanted to come here, and this has just been such a magical experience.
Well, babe, I think we found our Great Britain.